If nobody there, you just cancel the delivery and return the parcel, because safety
Navigation
first.
started. Continue south on a driveway for 500 feet.
Safety first, alright? Be careful. You don't want for a dog to beat you. To bite you, not to beat you. Because at that time, it's gonna be your fault. It's not gonna be their fault. Hello, dog. Hello. No worries. Oh my god. This is a small dog. It's not scary, but you need to be careful because that dog can bite you also. Isn't it?
Navigation started. Continue southwest on a driveway. Then in 90 feet turn right onto Perimeter City Road. C51. Half a mile turn left.
I didn't wait for somebody to come at this stop because the dog is small and it is something that I can handle. But also, you need to be careful. I think I'm gonna add this here. I'm putting both cameras because I want. Come on, please don't stop. I'm putting both cameras together because I want both cameras, the screen and the camera together, because I want the screen to charge up the battery of the camera. Because I think later I will be delivering in
500 feet arrive at the destination.
I'm gonna be delivering in an urban area or a city or a small town, so I don't want to be wearing this big thing in my head while delivering in an urban area. This is a very nice house.
Arrive at the destination.
Look at that. I think it's a big family house. Bag 73. Oh my god. Do you see me? 73. Oh my god, the camera is not charging because the camera is not charging because it's so hot. And when it is so hot, the camera will pause charging. That's not good at all.
Navigation started. A U-turn. Then in 400 feet make a hard left turn onto Ballymatastutty Road. C51.
Actually,
Mile turn left onto Dooneen Road.
Actually, I like to deliver in these countryside areas because it's calm. The roads are empty most of the time. You get to drive in a very good way. It is better than delivering in a town, in big buildings. Oops. That's a very close accident. Thankfully, alhamdulillah, that's a very nice house.
Half a mile turn left onto Tamnamore Road.
Thankfully, I managed to dodge it. And that's what I said when I tell you guys you need to drive a little bit slower, because there are lots of hidden obstacles are gonna be in front of you when you are driving in these areas. It's very nice but also very dangerous to drive here, especially in summer, because people will be walking, and also it's very dangerous during winter because roads will be
in 700 feet turn left to enter a private road.
Roads will be wet and very slippery.
In 600 feet arrive at the destination on your left.
It's a very big property. I think they have their own.
Arrive at the destination on your left.
Their own road, and very likely will be a dog, unleashed dog. No, the dogs are in their cage. That's very nice. And when the dog is in its cage, that's nice. A very nice house, to be honest. Small box. 84. Just this one. Where should I deliver it? I'm gonna just put it here, in the very front. It's not charging. The camera is not charging. It's not charging. Anyway, we have 65.
Navigation started. U-turn on a driveway. Then in 500 feet turn left onto Tamnamore Road.
Oh my god, please don't be a person. Please, please, please. I have crushed something. I have crushed something. It's a very big mistake. A very big mistake. That's why you need to make sure that there is nothing behind. A parcel fall down and I damaged it a little bit. Thankfully there is no electronics inside. I think it's something like closes or something.
In 600 feet, make a hard left turn to enter a private road.
That's nice. It is that nice house. Oh, a car is coming. But they are waiting for me to come.
In 200 feet, arrive at the destination on your left.
I don't know, I feel I came here before. Look at these people, what are they doing? Yeah, as I always told you guys that you need to reverse, prepare yourself to go away. Be ready. Envelope and body bag 69. I think it is this one. That's number 6, yes. Oh. 64. I stepped. I'm wearing short and I stepped in this bush here and it was hurtful. Alright, let's go to the next diagram.
Navigation started. U-turn on a driveway, then in half a mile turn left to enter a private road.
This is an update, guys. So this delivery, as I said earlier, it's just 3-hour delivery. 3 hours delivery. And I have started this delivery. Wow, look at that field, guys. I have started this delivery 4:30 and then I'm supposed to finish it 7:30 or half past 7. And now it is 20 past 6. Oh my god, that's very deep road. We need to be careful here. We don't want to. Oh my god, look at that forest.
Turn left to enter a private road.
Somebody lives in the middle of this forest. That's exactly why I do this kind of job, to see a very nice places like this. And somebody lives here among this forest. And we have arrived.
50 feet, arrive at the destination on your right.
Oh my god. Can you imagine that somebody is living here beside this forest?
Arrive at the destination on your right.
Oh my god. To be living among the forest is your backyard or your own garden. And look, they have their own forest. Envelope 79. Envelope 79. It's very messy. 79. Envelope 17. It's very messy as usual, guys. I'm sorry. It's not envelope. It should be envelope, but they put it in a poly bag. Look at this. Hi.